on Facebook though.
So the kids are downstairs having a Nerf gun fight. So Mama's gonna go down and show them what's what. Here, maybe I'll go down first and I'll get a video of you coming down. Okay.
I'm a ghost because I got shot from dead.
Oh, okay.
I'm
All
just
right.
watching to make sure they... I'm shot. I'm dead.
You're dead? Okay.
I'm dead. I'm a ghost.
So is there anybody that's not dead?
She's not. Kelsey's not, and neither am I.
Me. We are the rule obeyers.
All right.
Are you putting this on Facebook?
What's that? Oh, probably not. Here comes the Annihilator.
That's what.
Mom, I'm dead. I'm already dead. Mom,
I'm a ghost. Because what the heck is that?
I'm dead already.
We're ghosts.
Oh, getting tackled from behind.
Defy the laws of motion.
Guys, for everybody! Eli, did I get you? Hey, Ryan, did I get you? Guys, for everybody!
Guys, all the kids getting now.
Oh, kids are gonna hole up in the room. Kelsey's hiding out on the staircase.
You got my team, are you friend or foe?
Friend or foe? Friend or foe?
Okay, I'm not dead anymore.
Whoa, hey! You're not supposed to shoot the camera, man.